right, Waylon.
Russia.
Hey, Waylon. Where are we, dude?
We in Russia. We just got here, dude. The airport.
Welcome to Russia, baby.
We in Russia, guys.
We're doing a Carter's Play Zone. We're going to get some Carter's Play Zone figures.
We're going to Funko, Russia building.
We have a meeting for the...
Show the building, I mean.
For the...
Look at these buildings, bro. So Russian. Look at Japanese stuff, dude.
You know what? We're doing a meeting to start doing Carter's Play Zone Funko Pop merch.
We did a collaboration. Hold up. Keep going. We did a collaboration with Funko. They're making Carter's Play Zone Funko Pops now, and we're doing early access. We're gonna actually build them today.
There they are, dude.
Our channel has grown so much that we're gonna actually get our own Funko Pops now.
Oh my god, dude. I'm so excited to get Carter's Play Zone Funko Pop. Which one are you getting? Greedito? Waylon? Or Carter? He's getting away! What?
Hey.
Funko Pop? Are you kidding? Dude.
I'm getting the Greedito one.
Greedy. We don't have... It's a Chewbacca.
I love Chewbacca.
It's a monkey.
Which one's your favorite Funko Pop?
How Russian do you feel like that, Carter? You look like a Russian soldier right now.
I know, dude. I know, dude. Oh, look, fire the flames!
Oh my. That's Seth. That's...
Don't film me. Chica, don't film me.
Chica.
Don't film me. Stop filming. Turn it off. I said turn it off. Go away. Get away.
Come back, you now.
I want to kiss Chica and I don't want to be filmed.
You love Chica, don't you? You love Chica.
Look at that shake.
Oh my.
Oh, I want them all. I want them all.
These are like little tiny.
Okay, Carter.
Yeah.
Well, thank you. What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts, Carter?
Hello Kitty.
Get in the Hello Kitty. Get in the Hello Kitty box. Show you are Hello Kitty. Carter, go in the Hello Kitty box.
What? You want me to go
You go in there and mix it. Locked out, of course. Dude. He is Hello Kitty. Oh my goodness.
Hi.
That's a... Dude, how do you feel?
Hi. I feel good. What?
Missing
You're
tooth
so
alert.
close. Hey.
Look, Carter. Now we're in Japan. It's Godzilla.
Holy crap.
He loves it. He loves it. He loves the buildings.
Don't film my tooth again.
Missing tooth alert. Missing tooth alert.
No.
I'm working on it. I'm getting a new one.
Fat Panda. He loves the Godzilla. He loves the Godzilla.
Hi. How's it going? How's it going? Back off.
Oh, dude. He says hello. Hold on, Car. Get the thumbnail, Car. Yeah! There you go. That's awesome. I get me too. Oh, no.
I'll get you.
No. Yeah. The guys are going down the street.
I'll get you now.
Over here.
We have a wide collection of Big Pop and Big Soda to bring you
Look at this.
big fun.
The daily outfits.
You like those guys?
Yeah. This one's hot.
Oh, do you think it's hot?
And this is Cosmo and Poof.
Yeah, baby.
And it's evil one. It's an anti-one.
Hey, Waylon. We didn't get the music.
Oh, I nearly heard.
Wow. Hagrid's life size. Wow. Welcome to Harry Potter. What is that? I like Dobby up there. Wow. It's back like we're back in Florida, dude. I'm telling you. This is coolness. You're not scared? This is pretty creepy. Christmas Dobby.
I like this one.
And you want to buy it?
No.
What do you want to do?
I just said I liked it. Read this card.
Look at all the merchandise everywhere. Oh, look at this guy. I didn't even see him. Look at him. Look at it.
Okay, guys. We went to the Funko Pop in Russia, and I got two guys. I got the owl from Toy Story. I got Jim Hopper.
Whoa!
And then the other stuff we're not showing. That's for the guy.
You will not find that chicken guy anywhere else, dude.
It's actually limited release. This is the first one ever produced. So
This is the only one produced. Alright. Give me that! Give me that chicken! Give me that chicken! Alright. I'm tired now.